So in this video we're gonna download the Java JDK. So you just go to your browser and just type Java JDK. So we're gonna go here into the Oracle, and I'm gonna grab the, well, mine is Windows, so if you have a Linux, a Mac, you can pick that one. So I'm gonna grab a Windows and I'm gonna grab the x64 installer. So you just click here and it's gonna download. So I already have it. Let me see, I already have it here, and I'm gonna JDK, let me see, JDK 21, yeah, this one, okay, and I'm gonna delete that one. Okay, so right now we're just gonna click next, and pretty much you can just save it in whatever folder you want. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So now we can go to our folder that we were working in the previous video, open in terminal and just type in code space that, and now we're gonna be able to open it with Visual Studio Code. Okay, so let me see, let me clean this. Okay, so in the previous videos, as you remember, in order to get this Java installation success, or for this to run, you just click here in the run Java. So now we have installed something that is called Javac. So we have installed the JDK. So if you type in Javac, you should see something like this. Pretty much we have that. And now, instead of typing the whole link, the whole directory, you go to change directory, you go into the DC, you go into this specific folder. So you just make sure that you are, right now I am in the folder that I want. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type in Javac, and then I'm gonna type in the name of my file, that is main that, and then Java, like that. And this is going to create a new file. So it's going to create a with extension class. Okay, this one, main.class. And now you just have to do like Java and then the name of the file, like this, Java main, like that. And here, Java installation success. So now that we have the JDK, the JDK, the development key tools, now we can go straight forward. So you just, first you need to use the Java. So as you remember, to create this main.class, and then you are gonna be able to just type in Java and then the name of your file. In my case is main, so always remember it has to be case sensitive. And we can go here as well, clean this one. Again, so you just type in Java and then main, like that. Java installation success. JDK, let me see, JDK, what it was, let me see, JDK 21, I think it was, yeah, JDK 21. Okay, so we can type in JDK 21, save it, and now we can just pretty much, again, Java.main, Java space main, the name of the file. And now here I haven't saved it yet. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type in Java, like that, and then main.java. Okay, and then it's gonna pretty much update my main.class, and now I can do the Java and then the name of the file, in my case main with the capital letter. So now JDK 21 installation success, and yeah, as you can see, it's pretty much easier. So less lines of code, instead of just having to do the seed, pretty much copy the whole directory name, for example. Without installing the JDK, you have to go here into the disk and pretty much copy this whole link, see users, one of these, all this stuff. So this is it for the JDK 21 installation.